here at the Jaigarh Fort, just down the road from the Jaigarh Fort. Okay, so we're inside the fort, taking a wander around. Found what looks like a really good viewpoint. So look up here. I guess the main part of the fort looks to be over there.
It's big.
It's very big.
Like a jungle forest.
On the outside, yeah. Yeah.
A lot of trees.
Huge amount of trees. It's a jungle. It's a jungle out there. Some sort of a little shrine or something over there, yeah. There's a cow laying down over there. Another cow. There's cows. Here a cow, there a cow. Oh, I see. So if people come through, they drive through, and they go through this way. And I think eventually they get up over there.
I see.
So we're going probably
We're going to be walking it.
We're going to be walking it. We've come the wrong way. This is, I think, just the beginning of it. But we can walk around the outside. Oh, no, we can't.
There is something kind of interesting here. These women are...
Yeah, seem to be finding the sandstone, the red sandstone, and then they're sifting it. So I'm not sure if they're making a type of a cement or a clay to go as part of the restoration. I think it looks like they use that for patching the walls.
Probably, right? That looks like really hard work to me.
Yeah. She's just getting ready to carry that big bucket on her head, I think. Got the little donut there to support it.
It's like extremely hard work.
Yeah.
And they're covered up, like
They're all
lazy.
got their traditional clothing on.
Is that a step ladder? Or
Could be a step wall. Well, of some sort, I think, yeah.
I guess we should follow the crowd.
Follow the crowds. Can go over this way too. Okay. Okay, so we're still up here at the Jaigarh Fort and Amber Fort. We walked up towards the world's largest cannon, and it's interesting because as we came up, one of these security guys in blue asked us for a ticket, so we gave him our ticket.
He was totally official, uniformed.
Yeah. He doesn't ask Indians for their ticket, but just asked us for a ticket and then ripped the half off.
But we hadn't seen anybody else come in, so...
Yes. So we didn't know. So anyways, he went into this spiel about, come around the backside. I tell you something. So he came around the back and gave us a spiel about the statistics of the cannon, how big it is and how heavy it is, and how far it can shoot a ball, and all these things. Anyways, we're standing there, and he's like, so afterwards, if you like what you hear, you give me tip, you give me something, you give me this, you give me that. So it's like, wait a second. I reached in my pocket, I had 10 rupees, so I gave him 10 rupees. So anyways, he took it and then questioned it. Oh, you only give me 10 rupees? And yeah, I only gave you 10 rupees because basically, buddy, you're getting paid here and then you're scamming tourists. So you're not talking to Indians, because Indians are just going to say, no, go away. But, dumb Canadian tourists like us, we sort of say, okay, we feel obligated to, when somebody's in uniform asking for money, we kind of feel obligated, right, Kath?
Yes, exactly. It was uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But after I realized that the Indian people were not being asked for their tickets, and he was very official, right? Because he took the ticket and ripped it the way that the other official people ripped the ticket.
Gave us half. Yeah. So, just a word to the wise: if you're up here and you get approached by this guy, you don't have to, and we probably shouldn't have, but
just say no, thank you. Which we do all the time.
Yeah, we're always.
Tour guides and
but it's not sort of in our makeup to say, no to people in uniform. That's the weird thing, right? It's like this guy's got a uniform and a beret on, and he's either military or something.
So sorry to disturb you.
Yeah.
Can you take a picture for us, please? No worries.
Oops. So anyways, just note to self, and in the future, people are coming up, maybe pay attention to that, and don't necessarily give into that. Okay, so we're just on our way down out of the having that issue with the guy trying to fleece us for some money, and you've noticed here, so then we got, of course, there's the gents washroom is this one. There's a tiled interior, and looks like it may be a semi sort of clean place. And of course over here you have the ladies' room. Yes, yes, yes. Decorative.
Looks a little primitive.
Done in a red brick decor, open air concept with pans above it for water to rinse off, I suppose. So yes, restoration work is underway, but yes, the ladies' room is a bit lacking in terms of services and facilities. So, ladies watching this and planning on arriving at the fort, prepare yourself and make sure you use the facilities before you arrive, because it won't be very good when you do arrive here. All right, off we go. Okay. Off we go. Our chariot awaits. Tuk-tuk away. Hello. Yeah.